Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to schedule tasks on your server. Our VPS server offers a powerful scheduler feature that lets you automate tasks on your VPS or specific services like your Minecraft server. You can easily set up scheduled commands without complex command line operations. To access the scheduler, log into your VPS control panel, then look for the Scheduler tab on the left-hand side. To schedule a task, click the Create button. Give your task a descriptive name. Then specify the exact time and frequency. Time zone means you can choose your desired time zone. Below that, there'll be the date and time, and this is where you can set the days of the week, the month, and specific time you want it to be set. For example, I'm going to go ahead and do every Tuesday at 10 PM. Then lastly, enter the command you want to execute. For example, to send a message in Minecraft chat, just put in, say, it's now Tuesday 10 PM. Then all you have to do is create the task to confirm the settings, and your command is all set. One of the most commonly asked questions is how to schedule a task to restart your server. We're going to be showing you how to restart a Minecraft server twice daily. Firstly, you want to head to the actual service you want to create that restart and create a new task in there. Name it Restart MC 2 AM, then schedule it to every day at 2 AM and set the command to restart. Now you want to create the second task. Name it something like Restart MC 3 PM. Then schedule that to every day at 3 PM. If you're lost at any point, just follow what I'm doing on the screen. Lastly, set the command to restart and save those changes as well. That way, your server now restarts daily twice. Just to show you as an example, I'm going to be in my server right before the restart time is meant to happen, and I'm just going to play as usual. And at any point now, the server is going to be restarted by itself. And there you go! After a couple seconds, it'll also start back up without you having to do anything. Then you can just head back in and resume playing. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!